I'm going to buy this Vauxhall Corsa to do it up and flip it for a profit in 48 hours. The car was listed up for £995 on a selling offer of £1,500. The seller's accepted my offer, let's go buy this car. The Corsa was as described, so I bought it and paid him £1,500 for the car, and I'm going to try sell it within 48 hours. Fingers crossed I can do this challenge. Before I sell this car, I need to change the brake disc because it's been an advisor on the MOT for the last 3 years. And I need to get some touch-up paint to try and blend in the scratch. Apart from that, really clean car. Have a look at the interior. The interior is really clean. I don't even need to wet vac the seats. It's that clean, literally. The rear seats are also really clean. The boot of the car is also clean. So let's go on the first drive and see how the Corsa drives. The car drives good, no issues whatsoever, as you guys can hear. No knocks, no bangs, nothing like that. The car drives spot on, so I think I'm gonna make some quick profit on this one. I definitely think I'm gonna start buying cars private more, because I normally buy from BCA auction. No clutch slipping, goes into all gears. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna need to get some gloss black spray paint. You know what, I might just put the car up as it is and see what profit I can make instead of like trying to do all this stuff. I might just retake the photographs, put the car up for sale as it is and see how much I can sell it for. So on the journey home, I decided to change my mind and order the brake disc and pads. So I've gone for the Drive Tech ones, so Drive Tech brake disc and Drive Tech brake pads. Got 20% off, which is really good. So £59 ain't too bad. Let's go collect the brake pads and install them and get this car for sale as soon as possible. Now it's time to collect the parts and get this project rolling. So I've now got the brake discs, so let's go fit them. Let's install the new brake disc on the Corsa. I've already done one side, so let's do the other side. I did run into some issues. Basically, the brake disc screw got stuck, so I had to drill it out, but this is the old brake disc. Let's get started with the passenger side and get this car for sale as soon as possible. So I literally bought the car, went straight to GSF parts, bought what the car needed, and I'm fitting everything in the same day. Now I'm using my impact wrench to get the wheel bolts off. This is probably the best thing I ever bought when working on cars. It makes it so much easier. Easy. Wish me luck trying to get this off. Let's put the WD-40 in there now. Please come off with no issues, please. This gave me issues on the other side, please. Yes! Yes, guys. No way. Oh, wish me luck with this side, please. Yes! Yes, that's what I like. That was easy. Thank God these screws didn't round off because it was going to take so much longer if I had to drill them out. Right, now I've got to try take the brake caliper off. That was so easy for the impact driver. Look at it. Look at the lip on that brake disc. Now I'm just using some WD-40 to clean the hub to get it ready for the new brake disc. The brake disc is now on. I'm just putting in those little screws to hold it in. It's time to put everything back together and then the car will be complete. So the new brake disc is now on. Let's put the wheel back on, take the car for a drive and see how the car drives. The last thing to do is to put the wheel on and drop the car and go for a drive. And there you go. Brake disc now fitted to both sides. So the car is now complete. I've done the brake disc. All I need to do is give it a clean, a polish, and list the car up for sale. So I picked the car up today. I've done the brake disc. I can list it up for sale right now, but I want to try and maximize profits. But I might actually just get it on the market right now because everything that needs to be done has been done. And that's what I like when you work on cars and things go straight forward. The other side, this side was a bit more of a nightmare, but I got it done. But the left side was easy, so. This is the first drive after doing the brake disc and the car drives really good, man. So it's now the next day. I've got the jet wash in the boot. I got popped to my mum so I can use my jet wash because where I live, I can't use the jet wash in my flat. Like, it's so annoying because I can't use my equipment. I have to keep going to other people's houses to do stuff. I need to go get some microfiber cloth. I've got my machine polisher also in the back as well. Let's go Halfords. Actually, now I'm going to go to Ranjani's to get some microfiber cloth because you can get it for way cheaper over there. So see you guys in a bit. Now it's time to wash and polish the Vauxhall Corsa because it's filthy. Have a look at it. As you can see, look at all of that dirt on the roof right there. But I've brought my jet wash with me and yeah, let's set everything up and get this car washed. Alright, let's apply the soap. Now the car's washed, it's now time to dry the car. Let's give the car a polish. So the car's now polished. I'm just applying some tyre shine, the finishing touch to the car, and as you can see, the car is shining. The paintwork has turned out really nice. So let's apply the last bit of tyre shine. So the car's now complete. You can see how the car's turned out. It looks really nice. The polish definitely brought that paintwork back to life. And just look how the car's shining. Look at that. The car has turned out really nice. Interior is clean. Exterior is clean. So I'm about to put the car up for sale now. And hopefully I can make some good profit. So as you can see, it's clean in the back. And it's also clean in the front. So let's list the car for sale, and I have 24 hours now to sell it. So I gave myself 48 hours to sell the car. It's now been 24 hours since I've had the car, so I'm going to list that for sale now, and that gives me another 24 hours to sell it. So fingers crossed the car will sell within 24 hours. Guys, looks like I might fail the 48-hour challenge because the car's been listed up for sale now for, let me just have a quick check. So it's been 18 hours since I've listed the car for sale, and I haven't had any other messages, so I think I'm gonna fail it. But you never know guys, you never know. But I'll update you guys later on if it sells or not. But at the moment, yeah, man's failed the 48-hour challenge, so yeah. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you're enjoying my content, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and follow my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and see you guys in the next one. Right, so it's officially been 24 hours since I put the car up for sale. I've had a few more messages, but no one really serious. I've had messages from like some fans from TikTok. Someone offered £1,500 and I said hell no, because I ain't taking that. That's what I paid for the car, which they know that because they watch my content. That's why they offered me that. What else? So I've listed the car for sale on Gumtree and Facebook, and as you can see, if you see that top message there, the guy says something about, what does he say? He says, hope to see more videos on TikTok. So it's all for the fans messaging me. They're seeing the car and they're just all messaging me. So I haven't really had anybody serious yet. So challenge has failed. Keep tuned. I'm on the auctions for another car as well, so I'm going to be doing 2 cars now. So I'll let you guys know when that one sells. On to the next project. Let's see what I can find next to buy. I'm just going to use that as a daily until it sells because my car's broken. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you the next